If your iPhone won't charge when plugged in, don't panic. Here's how to fix it fast in just a few steps. First, check the basics. Make sure the charging cable and adapter are working. Try a different cable or use a different power outlet just to rule those out. Next, try cleaning the charging port. Grab a dry brush or gently use a toothpick to clean out any dust or lint from the charging port. Even a little dirt can stop the connection. After that, force restart your iPhone. Quick restart can reset charging issues. Press and quickly release volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Or if your phone supports it, place it on a wireless charger. If it charges wirelessly but not with cable, the port might be the issue. After that, try updating your iOS. And for that, go to your settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into Software Update and install any available updates. A software bug could be causing the problem. And if none of this works, your charging port or battery might need repair. Contact Apple support or visit a service center. But most of the time, this simple fix does the job. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.